Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wished you could quickly copy a database in Notion, maybe to experiment with ideas, share a template with a colleague, or simply back up your hard work, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to duplicate a database in Notion, step by step, so you can save time and avoid those repetitive manual tasks. By the end, you'll have the confidence to duplicate any database you want without missing a beat. All right, let's jump into Notion together. First things first, open up Notion and find your list of pages on the navigation pane over on the left-hand side of your screen. This pane is where all your Workspace content lives, kind of like the index of a book. Take a moment to scan through and locate the page or folder where you've already built your database. If you're working on a team space or have several workspaces, just make sure you're in the right one so you don't accidentally duplicate the wrong thing. Okay, once you've found your database in the navigation pane, the next step is incredibly simple, but also super powerful. Hover your mouse over your database until you see a little menu icon pop up, usually 3 dots or some sort of handle, depending on your Notion version. If you don't see it right away, just move your mouse slightly and give Notion a second to register the hover. Sometimes, especially if you have a lot of items or databases stacked together, it might take a moment for the menu to appear. Don't worry if it's not immediate. Notion likes to keep things tidy. When you see the menu pop up, go ahead and right-click on your database. That right-click is your gateway to all sorts of time-saving features, and duplicating is one of the best. A context menu will appear, showing you several options. Among them, you'll spot Duplicate. Click on that, and Notion does the heavy lifting for you. It instantly creates an exact copy of your database, including all its properties, views, filters, sorts, and even the entries themselves. Now, you might be wondering, why is duplicating a database so useful? Well, imagine you're setting up a new project and want to use an existing task tracker as a starting point, but tweak it for your new workflow. Or maybe you want to share your database structure with a teammate without giving them access to all your data. Duplicating lets you do that in seconds rather than recreating things from scratch or risking errors. Think of it like photocopying an important document. You get an exact replica, ready to edit and customize as needed. After you've clicked Duplicate, the duplicated database typically appears right below the original in your navigation pane. You might see Notion automatically add Copy or Duplicate to the title just so you can tell them apart. If you have a lot of databases or pages, you might want to rename your new copy immediately so things stay organized. Just click into the database title and type in your new name, something that reflects its purpose. Give yourself a moment to browse the duplicated database. Double-check that everything has copied over. Your properties, your views, even the layout and entries should all be intact. If you're planning to use your new database as a template, this is a great time to clear out sample data or tweak filters and views without worrying about losing your original working database. And that's it. You've just duplicated a database in Notion. Quick, clean, and super effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Notion tips. Got questions or are you stuck on a step? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion!